Going on, everybody? We're going to do a Joe solo show. We're doing vintage. That's what it said on eBay. Vintage basketball. Wife is not aware that I'm doing this, so if for some reason I don't show up in the next video and it's a solo Jamie show, maybe just be a little, concerned. I'm just kidding. Anyways, let's open some cards. So I got these packs off of eBay. Figured I'd look for some Jordans, but they have all kinds of vintage packs on there that you just get a bunch of random packs. So we'll see what we find. Vlade. Boy, some of these cards take me back. Collecting with the crew back in the day. Back when, you used to do things other than collect cards. Use them to make some noises with the bikes. Elijah Wan. NBA hoops. B.J. Armstrong. Reggie Miller. Wow, Chris Mullin, Rod Strickland. Do me a favor, throw a Jordan or two in there. One Jordan would make me feel good. I have all these packs here. Dennis Rodman All-Star. I got here 91, 92 Upper Deck. And I know I said vintage, but apparently online vintage is, early 90s. The best time, in my opinion, to collect cards. What we got here? Elijah Wan. Fat Lever. Lever, I don't know. This sure was a good time in the basketball era, though. Hey, all right. We got a Jordan. Look at that. Now the rest of them. Oh, John Stockton. That's a winner. Horace Grant. Who Richardson. Sleepy Floyd. I don't know. Basketball seemed like a lot more fun to watch back then. Just seemed like they, played the game, had fun, less political. I don't know. And that's why everybody kind of lost interest there for a little while. Well, at least everybody I know. Gary Payton rookie. Earl Malone. Spud Webb. Mookie. Boy, this is wild going through these cards. Haven't seen most of these names in years. Oh, Manute Bowl. He was fun to watch. Jeez, just annoys the daylights out of me. All upside down. Patrick Ewing. He was also fun to watch. We got here Skybox. Ooh, Michael versus Magic. That's a cool one. Half Michael, you know. Chicago Bulls starting team. Oh, that's cool, Patrick. Back to some hoops. Let me know, what was your favorite vintage sport to collect? Baseball, basketball, football. That's a cool Jordan combo. Larry Bird. Dan Marley. Clyde Drexler. Spud Webb. Del Curry. Wow, that's cool cards. No solo Jordans, but still very cool. You enjoy seeing these vintage cards. James Worthy. Yeah, I saw that Michael. I was like, oh man. Dennis Rodman, Defensive Player of the Year. Patrick. Oh man, Fleer. These shady packs, I feel like anybody could open up and glue back together. I'll be surprised if I know any of these players. Chris Mullen. Like I said, David Robinson. Cool Patrick. 1990 Flair. Last 2 packs. What is the likelihood of rolling a Jordan? A lot of B.J. Armstrongs in these packs. Nope. Wow. A lot of packs. 1 solo Jordan. Anyways, thanks for checking out the vintage video. I'll have some vintage baseball, some vintage football coming up. But back to the regularly scheduled show with the wife coming up. I'm just throwing this one in there to see if she even notices. But anyways, thanks for checking us out. Don't forget, check out her TikTok. She's opening 2 packs every day. Instagram, of course, eBay, where almost everything will be listed. And thanks for joining us. See ya.